Higit 3 buwan matapos italaga bilang head coach ng Far Eastern University Tamaraws, ibinahagi ng 6-time PBA champion import Sean Chambers ang kanyang karanasan bilang mentor sa collegiate basketball. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa darating na UAAP Season 87, nakatakdang pamunuan ng 6-time PBA champion import at Alaska Milkmen legend na si Sean Chambers ang Far Eastern University Tamaraws men's basketball team. Bagamat matagal pang magsisimula ang UAAP, nakalasap na si Chambers sa kalidad ng collegiate basketball dito sa Pilipinas. Pinangunahan ni Chambers ang third place finish ng Tamaraws matapos nilang patumbahin ang Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knights 80-78 sa katatapos lamang na Philoil Eco Oil 17th ECJ Pre-Season Cup.
This cup was amazing for me because it gives me a slight little bit of what the UAP is going to be like and some of the areas we need to grow and some areas of improvement and for me as well, because honestly, I'll tell you guys this, and I'm not ashamed to say this, I really don't know half the rules right now. There's a lot of different rules that I'm still learning as we go along here, so this is part of my learning curve as well.
Nagpasalamat din si Chambers sa tiwalang ibinigay sa kanya ng pamantasan upang maging head coach ng Moraita Bay Squad.
I am truly feel blessed and honored to be part of the FEU organization. I feel completely a sense of honor to be back in the Philippines and given this opportunity. So it's just all been such an amazing experience to this point.
Bukod naman sa collegiate basketball, nabigyan din ng pagkakataon si Chambers na maging mentor ng Gilas Pilipinas na sasabak sa FIBA Olympic Qualifying Tournament na magsisimula sa July 2 sa Riga, Latvia. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.